What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends, on this beautiful Sunday, 4th of July weekend. So what we're going to be doing today, my friends, is we are going to be going through the market outlook. We have a Nirvana set up. It's a short week, so tomorrow is a half day, and the 4th of July is closed. We have a seminar coming up. I'm going to do the weekly trade recap, 4th of July sale, and a giveaway. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. First and foremost, let's welcome Meredith Totten to the Trading Wars Army. Hit me with the TW Army Spy VIP. Who else do we have in the building? Dr. D, Trading Wars Army. Anthony, Nonstop, Candace, Bills, Briggs, Quinn, Reggie, Trading Wars Army. Marcelo, Paul, what's going on? Who else do we have in here? Send me some fire. Send me a 1 if you can hear me loud and clear. Janice, what's going on? Trading Wars Army. T, Paul, good to see you guys. Carol, Trading Wars Army. D, Visual Arts, what's going on? All right, guys. All right, so what we're going to do here, let's start off here with the weekly look on S&P 500. So I'm here on futures right now, guys. And as you can see here, we have the Nirvana setup. So the Nirvana setup is one of our most powerful patterns. It's the inside-outside bar. So back in May, we had the Holy Grail, which is the opposite. And we took the breakout of that inside bar, and it was a great, nice little run here, guys, okay? Now we have the opposite, which is the Nirvana. And then if we look, the last time we had a Nirvana was back in January 21, and we also had one in June of 2020. And you can see from those points, guys, let's keep going back. August 19th, October 18th, February 18th, they are usually huge pivot points, all right? Doesn't necessarily mean it's bullish or bearish, but I definitely think it's a great trading opportunity, and I'm going to be looking to trade it this week. And what I'm going to also do, let's take a Fibonacci. Let's put it from the high to the low. And you can see right here, guys, we are pretty close to that 786 mark, and we are in the golden zone of rejection. So there is room to come back up into this level over here, 4500s to 4600s up here where we had this previous rejection. So I really think this is a great opportunity to get involved. If we look at futures right now, we did have a little bit of a gap up on futures, and then we just went sideways. So a little bit of, it should be very light volume tomorrow, nothing too crazy, but still great trading opportunities. I've made money on half days many, many times. So we'll be looking forward to that. Hit me with a 10 if that all makes sense. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I just want to say this real quick. The Trading Wars Army members, I am doing a seminar. Okay, so this seminar is going to be next Sunday. Okay, the Golden Fibonacci and Future Seminar next Sunday. So for the first time, I'm opening it up to Trading Wars Army members. So if you're a part of the $4.99 program, guys, you're going to get free access to the seminar. All you have to do is just email rich@tradingwars.com, and I'll send you the link. So right here, guys, if you're watching this video and you want to join, you can click the join button. It's $4.99, and you'll get access to that seminar. It's the first time I'm doing it. And my friends, I'm also going to post my exact levels for this swing trade that I'm going to use with futures and with SPY for this play. If you want to be a part of that, you can as well. And you could see right here under the community tab, I post exclusive content for the Army members right here every single day, guys. Okay. So if you guys are interested, it's a great time to sign up right now. All right. So let's go ahead. And so we have the market recap, special swing pick coming, seminar next Sunday. Let's go ahead and let's look at the weekly trade recap, and let's look at how the market played out this week. Here we go. So I'm on the 5-minute chart, and I'm going to start off with Friday. Okay. And so on Friday, guys, we had a really good day. We had the opening range breakout for 15 points. Unfortunately, our Fibonacci, we missed the fill by a few pennies. And then we had a big, massive winner on Nvidia with the triple inside bar breakout. So I'm going to walk you through that. Let's go. All right. So the first candle here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go back to the 3-minute, because whenever we take the orb, I love to start off with the 3-minute chart. So here we go. So this is Thursday, right? And here is Thursday's high right here. So let's go ahead and play the first 3-minute bar. Bang. Okay, so if we look at that right there, guys, does that look like a bullish or bearish candle? Hit me with a 1 for bullish, hit me with 2 for bearish. And what I want you to remember here is on Fridays, we generally have a lot of volatility, especially going into a long weekend. And we have a gap up here. So anyone that was shorting like right around here, you could see there was some shorts coming in. They're squeezed right off the bat. Okay. So the first thing that I did, I'm going to hop into the Discord right here, is the opening range breakout on the 3-minute chart. So I'll go ahead and show you that, guys. So good morning, friends. Massive gap up and going to focus on the orb. So we went long at 9:33, and within basically 5 or 10 minutes, we had a beautiful, beautiful target achieved. So I'll show you how I do the orb. So I'm just going to go ahead here, put the horizontal line on the high and the low like this. And then the next bar comes in, bang. So there's your long fill right there. And what I like to do, take the Fibonacci, put it on the candle like this. And what you want to look for, guys, is from the 272 and above, those are your easy targets. So bang, there's our first target, boom, straight out. Okay. So really, really nice. Basically, guys, within the first 10 minutes or so, making a good amount of points. And you can see right here, trim profits. Do not forget seminars coming up. So this one right around 9:41, I was locking in as much as I can. Really nice setup. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. So now I'm going to swap over to the 5-minute here. And what you'll see is, unfortunately, I'm going to fast forward here. We went for the pullback. Okay. So check this out, guys. This one is a heartbreaker. So we took our Fibonacci from our low to our high like this, guys. And look at this. Look at this, guys. See that? We missed the 618 by legitimate pennies, because if we had hit that one too, guys, that was a huge runner into the close. That would have been another $1,500 to $3,000. So hit me with the 7 if you see that. That one was sad, but I just want to tell you guys, sometimes you're going to miss your fills. Don't get frustrated. All right. It just happens. It's part of the game. That happens this week. There was a lot of those, and hopefully that doesn't happen anymore. Okay. So on Friday, we also had Nvidia, $2,287 able to bank on that. And I just want to show you guys here. So Nvidia, I posted here, guys, 400 we wanted to go long above 415. And I just wanted to make a note. Okay. So if you look at this low of this candle on TradingView, it says 415.04, but the low in the broker was actually 415.01. All right. So we just took that break as soon as it broke out, that first candle, bam, straight into the close. And the reason we wanted to do that, guys, was this triple inside bar. Look at this. All right. So this is a very, very rare setup, but we have that triple inside bar. And let me show you how that looks on the 5-minute chart. Okay. So this is what a triple inside bar looks like. So here is this range. Look at this. Okay. So that was a triple inside bar. You see how that range is getting tighter and tighter and tighter. And if I put a box around it, okay, you're going to see the box is getting smaller and smaller. So this is the big box, small box strategy. And then we broke through the box in the morning and squeezed through. Okay. So that was a really nice one. I went live trading on Friday and we were able to crush this. Hit me with a 4 if that made sense. So that was a really nice one on Friday. So what you'll see, guys, is Thursday and Friday were my big days, made a lot of money. And then Monday was absolutely trash. And that's what I keep telling you guys. Some days you're just going to have really good days. And those are the days you got to make the most money. So let's go ahead now to Thursday. So I'm going to hit the replay. Boom, right here. Okay. So on Thursday, here's the first candle of the day. So I decided to use the opening range breakout on Thursday. One of the reasons why, guys, is because we had this holy grail off the bat. So we had this outside bar followed by an inside bar. That's a holy grail. And what I really liked about this candle is look how long that wick is. All right. So do you guys think that's bullish or bearish? Hit me with the 1 for bullish. Hit me with the 2 for bearish. So sometimes, that first 3-minute candle is very critical. I don't like using the 2 or the 1 minute. It's just too fast, but that 3-minute gives a good amount of information. And once I saw that we had this long wick here, guys, you'll see right here, I'll hop back into the Discord. So right here, watching the 3-minute orb, long orb. So we went long at 9:33 and we hit the target, guys, fast here, basically within 3 minutes. So watch this one here. Okay. So there's that first 3-minute candle. Really, really nice. So I'm going to put the Fibonacci on that candle from low to high. And then you can see right here, guys. Bang, right there. Within 3 minutes, absolutely crushed through it. Hit me with the 2 if you guys like that. So that was nice. I'm just going to fast forward here. That orb ended up running on the day. So here was the orb. That one ended up running on the day right there. Boom. Nice scalp in the first 3 minutes, and then we continued into a new high of the day. So right after that, guys, I'm going to go to the 5-minute chart, and I'm going to walk you through in detail this Fibonacci trade because this one was a really, really nice one. So 9:30. All right, so here we go. Boom. Okay. All right, so let's do this one together, nice and slow. Okay, here's the first 5-minute bar. So we can see a nice little hammer, and then boom, boom. Okay, so I did a Twitter Spaces on Saturday, and I'm trying to teach you guys the OTAD. Okay, So the OTAD is one trade a day. So for a lot of you, one trade a day is perfect because it prevents FOMO, it prevents greed, and it allows you to build your skill and focus on that one good trade. So we had the Fibonacci OTAD here on Thursday. Okay, so the rule that I like to do is wait for the first 3 candles for this particular trade minimum. Okay, then what we do here is let's look at this direction. Did this go up or down within the first 15 minutes? Hit me with the 4 for up, hit me with the 5 for down. Okay, and while you guys are thinking about that, let's go ahead and draw the Fibonacci. Okay, low to high. And I'm going to double click. And the only thing I want you guys to focus on is the 618. That's it. Okay. So obviously here, guys, we had a bullish direction. This is a vertical. So what we're going to do based on this is the one trade a day, you look for the pullback right there on the 618. You put your stop loss right here at the swing low. Okay. So in the Discord, we have a Fibonacci bot, and that we help to use something that I've created to help us call out the entries and the targets. Okay. So you'll see right here. Let's continue now. So what happens is this makes a new high right there. Bang. Okay. So it did not come to the 618. So what do? We do not chase it up here because that's going to mean we're overpaying for calls or for futures. So what we do is just move that anchor up like this, and then bang, again, move that anchor one more time. And then there is our fill right here at 10:05. So I'm going to walk you guys through this. So we drew this up together. Okay, in the Discord, and right here I'm filled long 10. So 10:09, there's the fill, and then here's the Fibonacci bot. 10:15 target hit, 10:21 target hit, to 11:17, which is about an hour later. It's the home run, final new high of day, target smash. Really, really nice trade. And the key with this, guys, is that's all you're doing, that one trade. All right. So here we go. Boom. There's our end. We're filled here. Okay. We go sideways a little bit. Right. And then finally around 11:17, there's your new high. And what you'll see here, guys, is we retested this 618 twice. And if you look closely, you'll see we had a hammer bar here. This is what you call candlestick confirmation. Okay. So let me see if I can find that. So right here, this is a Fibonacci book, tradingwars.com, on page 48, candlestick confirmation. If you don't want to take it at the level, there's your hammer bar. That's your confirmation. Boom. You take the break above into a new high of day. Really nice trade. 18 points, net 38 points, $1,900 a contract. That was the big money day. That was the trade of the week on Thursday. Hit me with the 2 if that makes sense. So in an ideal world, guys, what happens is you take the orb and the pullback comes in on that 618, and you take that pullback and you have double the trouble. You hit bang, bang. You hit the orb into the fib and you have a good day. Okay. So here we go. All right. So on Wednesday, it was a little bit slower, but we absolutely crushed Tesla 2 times this week. So Tesla, guys, this was the breakout that we did right above 249.44, $2,432. Okay, so for those of you, please subscribe. You could see that we post these picks every single day. Okay, so we had, let me get the Tesla set up here. So 4 days ago, this was that Tesla setup, and then we had a Tesla at the beginning of the week as well. Okay, so where is it? Right there. Okay, so what I want to show you guys, let's just quickly look at Tesla. $2,432. So how were we able to do that? This is the simple inside bar breakout strategy. So right here on Monday, we took the breakout short, and then right here on Tuesday, we took the breakout long. Very simple. All right, and both times they printed. So what you guys, that inside bar breakout strategy is a fully automated strategy, guys. Okay, and I post those levels on the YouTube, on the Twitter. Make sure you're subscribed. So Tesla paid ×2, really, really nice. We had the long trigger on Wednesday. That was the only trade that did well. And we missed the Fibonacci on this pull right here. You could see did not come back to that 618, unfortunately. All right. But let's go ahead. So continue on. So just a wash, 5 points, nothing too particular on SPY, but the Tesla play was great. And right here on the Tuesday, we had a trend day long trigger of 20 points. So let me walk you through that. All right, so here we go. Boom. Okay. So whenever you're doing a trigger, let's spend about 5 minutes on the trigger because a lot of people were asking me questions about that. All right, so this is what I'm going to do right here. So this is the video that you guys are watching right now. Right here, if you scroll down, you're going to find this guide. It's called Conditional Orders. All right. So click on that, guys. Let me know when you're there. Hit me with a 7 when you're there. And this right here, I'm going to talk about the automation of triggers, which can be used through options, futures, shares, ETFs, can be used through anything. And we had a conversation about if you were to trade one trade a day, what would you do? And it all depends on your constraints. If you cannot trade every single day because for whatever reason you're working full time, you have kids, et cetera, what you want to do is set up one trigger trade. Okay, you can do it on SPY, Tesla, Nvidia, anyone you want. Set it up, and it's either going to hit your target or hit your stop loss. Okay. So for me, I like to make $3,000 a play. If I'm right, and if I'm wrong, I try to limit to about 500 bucks. So for you, you just adjust it based on the size of your account. But let's go ahead and let's walk through this. So this is how you do it with the options. Okay. So I'll show you here on SPY. Okay. So the first thing you want to do is mark the previous day's high, which was right here, and the previous day's low. All right, like this. And I'm going to hop into the Discord, and I post my triggers every single day to be automated. So just look at the date, the 27th, right here. So we want it to go long at 436.32. So just go ahead and draw that in. 436. Oops, this is a wrong day, guys. One sec. This one, sorry. So we're looking at the wrong day. 434.27. Right there. Okay. So I'm going to put this in green. So until this level is touched, there is no trade. Okay. So here we go. Boom. We open down here. We're waiting. Nothing's happening. Chopping around, hanging out, waiting. Then finally, bang, there's your entry. And you can see we got a nice solid push into the close. This is your perfect situation for a trigger. Okay. Net 20 points, $1,000 a contract. And unfortunately, before we got up there, guys, we tried to hit the fib, take that Fibonacci from the low to the high, and you can see again it missed. So a little bit unlucky with those missed Fibonacci's this week, but thankfully had that long trigger to bail us out right there. Okay, so that one was really, really nice. At least once a week, there's going to be at least, one or two good triggers. And then unfortunately on Monday, guys, I got destroyed. I went short at the open. Okay. Right, where is it? Right here. I went short at the open, got stopped out. Then it actually went down. So that one was so frustrating because I had the right idea, lost 10 points, then tried the Fibonacci leg, got filled, and it stopped out. So lost another 10 points. So 20 points, $1,000 loss. Thankfully, by the end of the week, guys, we're able to recover and end up with close to 50 points of opportunity for 2,500 bucks. So what I really want to say, hit me with a 7 if that's happened to you before, is sometimes, especially at the beginning of the week, you can get your butt handed to you. But with trading, it's all risk to reward. Okay. So just think about it like you're rolling dice. You roll the dice on the Monday, it doesn't work out. But the difference is you are the casino. All right. You are the edge because when you hit it, you're going to make good money. So like when I'm hitting Nvidia, guys, $2,500 a pop, 2,600, Tesla, 1,800, 2,000, etc. When I'm losing, I'm trying to lose 300, 400, 500 bucks, keep it around there. So the risk to reward is always in a good proportion for you to be able to succeed. Okay. Hit me with a 1 if that makes sense. So that's the key right there. And slow start to the week. Don't blow your load at the beginning of the week. Don't go all in. Never go all in. Have that risk in your head. Okay, today I'm gonna allocate $300 to risk. Once I lose that 300, I'm done. That's the way you play to optimize your gains. Okay, so I'm gonna do a giveaway to wrap it up. And remember, Monday is a half day, so could be choppy, but I still made good money on Mondays with half days before. Tuesday, we are closed. Market is closed. Okay, so just be aware of that. Could be a short week. I'm going to go ahead and post a special swing pick for the Trading Wars Army members. I'll post it probably tomorrow once the half day is done so that we have a good setup. So if you guys want to join, it's a good time, like I said. And I'm just going to wrap up with the 4th of July sale. Okay, and then we're going to do a giveaway. So here we go, guys, tradingwars.com. So for the 4th of July, I'm doing a massive sale if anyone is interested. So I'm going to go right here to the bundle. So normally with my bundle deal, you get 4 months in the room. You get access to the Fibonacci bot, all 3 of my books, my seminars, 100 trade challenge, lifetime access to my premium indicators, and a one-on-one coaching session with me for 30 minutes. it's usually $799. So for the 4th of July, what I'm going to do, instead of 4 months, I'm going to multiply it by 3, and I'm going to give 1 full year of access for anyone that wants to purchase at the $799 price. If that's too much, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this in half, and I'm going to do $399 for the 4-month package. All you got to do is email rich@tradingwars.com, and I'll send you a private link. Otherwise, if that doesn't doesn't interest you, any one of my 3 books right now for $99.99, you'll get 2 months for free in the Discord. And like I said, next Friday is a seminar. All the Trading Wars Army members, you guys will be eligible. Just email me. All right, guys. Okay, so let's do a giveaway to wrap this up. And hit me with the 5 if you guys ready to make some money. I'm really looking forward to that Nirvana popping. Either direction, I know usually after those Nirvana guys, it could be some good money to be made. So the weekly chart is lined up the right way, and I just want to go ahead and crush that. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do right here. Okay, all right, so these are the videos for this week. This video right here, guys, this one right here, the only video you'll ever need to trade profitably. This one, I went extremely deep, and these are nothing to do with trading strategies. It's the realistic mathematical approach to trading, risk to reward, losing streaks, instruments, sizing, all of that, guys, I went through in this video. And I really want to encourage you to watch this video if you haven't already. So please leave a comment on this video. Watch it when you get time. And I'm going to pick a giveaway winner from this video for the giveaway this week. So the giveaway this week is going to be a book of your choice, 1 month for free in the Discord. Okay, so go ahead, leave a comment, hit me with a 4 when you're done, and I will pick a winner. And overall this week, guys, good week with Tesla, good week with Nvidia. If you're going to do one trade a day, you can definitely trade Tesla, you can definitely trade Nvidia. I like to do SPY because it has futures, but you can trade those big boys because they move a lot. Okay, so I'm going to give 30 more seconds to leave a comment, and we're going to wrap it up. So don't sleep on those. I'm thinking about maybe doing like an all Tesla, just trade Tesla every single day type of trading strategy. I think it could actually work, which is crazy because Tesla is just moves a lot, and as a day trader you can make a lot. But going into July now, we're halfway through the year. I'm happy to be profitable. 6 months into the year, I'm grateful. I'm not where I want to be. I for the next 6 months, I have a big goal of doubling my account. All right, and I'm gonna try my best. I did well, but the market has been a lot of swing trading. So I've done extremely well with my swing trading and investing. Just holding on to like Microsoft and those names that we took last year has made me a lot of money. But day trading wise, I want to be able to double my account. So if you guys want to join that journey, check us out on Discord, tradingwars.com, like I said. But let's just try our best, guys. No guarantees, but if you don't try, you never know. All right, so here we go. Let me go ahead and pick a comment from here. Okay, so we have, let me see, says 32 comments. So let's go ahead and do that. Random number generator. Here we go, guys. Number 1, 32, 3, 2, 1. Bang. Wow. Look at that. Number 1. That's never happened before. Is that amazing, guys? Hit me with a 5. Let's all go play the lottery today. That's crazy. So the first comment here is the winner right here. Sean7932. You are the winner, my friend. Thank you, Rich, for going over the risk management rules. Thank you, Sean, for watching the video, leaving a comment. Sean, go ahead and email rich@tradingwars.com. I'll get you your book and your 1 month for free. There's going to be some more giveaways coming up this week, guys. So don't worry. You'll always have a chance. Just make sure you subscribe, hit the like button. Okay. And that's crazy. That is crazy. Thank you so much for your time, guys. And I really appreciate you. And I'm excited for this week. I'm excited for this Nirvana. Bang. Let's look at this. Boom. Look at that bad boy right there. Okay. So ready to hit that. So let's be ready. Let's rock and roll. And let's, try to make as much as we can in the next 6 months. Okay. I think with my stock trades, I've done, I think it was 368 trades this year already. And at the end of the year, I'm going to do this huge, I'm trying to do a documentary, guys. I want to just show you what it is. It's a lot of ups and downs, and I want to show you what it is, guys. And I'm looking forward to making that. Okay. Actually, there's one more thing. I did release this video. It hasn't done well, unfortunately, but that's fine. I did a video recording. This was a red to green trade. Okay. I'm just going to replay this. All right. So no sound on this. I want to walk you guys through this. So a lot of people say, hey, Rich, what does red to green look like? So look at this, guys. Okay. So this trade right here, I just want to show you sometimes how you have to start off red. Sometimes that's what it is. But if you got the stop loss in place, don't let the red mentally affect you. Okay. Because the red is unrealized. Okay. When you have the stop loss, you know what you're going to lose. Okay. So let's say it's 400 bucks. Let's say it's 500 bucks. All right. So that's what you should keep in your head. Don't look at the P&L. Don't stare at the P&L. That's one of the biggest tips I've learned trading over these years. Don't stare at it. Okay. So here we go, guys. So from here, watch this. So looking for the new high right there with the fib. Boom. Okay. Real nice. All right. I'm going to do another giveaway because you're right. I just realized that. So there were 32 comments when I looked at this video, right? So what's going on here? Let's do one more giveaway. So there were 32 comments when I looked at this video first, and it still says 32. But I see you guys commented. Okay, let's do one more giveaway because I don't know why this is glitchy. All right, so what I'm going to do is for the next giveaway, it's going to be from the chat. All right. Let me think. So I'm thinking in between a number 1 and 20. The first person that I see that gets my number will win the giveaway. Go ahead. All right, I'll do one more. Here we go, guys. So a number 1 and 20. And remember, it's the first one that pops up on my screen. Your comment section will look different than mine. Okay. So I don't want anybody to think that, like I'm not picking it. Okay. All right. So here we go. So you'll see here, look at this. So Bill had commented, right? Then nonstop chasing. Then did I miss anything right here? And then right here, the next comment, Cecilia and Kyle both got the number. My number was 15. You guys obviously been watching me for a long time, but Cecilia was the first one. All right. So Cecilia, congratulations. You are the winner. Cecilia, email rich@tradingwars.com and I will hook you up your 1 month for free, your book of your choice. Okay. All right, guys. That's 2 giveaways. I'm going to keep doing some more this week. So just make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Email me rich@tradingwars.com if you want the 4th of July hookup. And remember to join the Trading Wars Army for this seminar next Sunday. Take care, my friends.